It's already 9:30 and I just had breakfast. Longganisa, chicken longganisa and rice. Yummers. Dami ko nakain. And since Zeb is down for his first nap, napagod. Nag-bike yan kanina and laro-laro. So, yan. Although 7 o'clock siya nagising, usually sleep niya mga 10 pa. Pero ngayon ang aga niyang inantok. So, yeah, I'm gonna lie down and watch some YouTube videos. Okay, good morning. Happy Monday. Gising na ang bebe ko. He's gonna get Mickey and Elmo. Hi! Say hi, baby! Hi! Flying kiss. Oh. Is that Papa Bear? Is that Papa Bear? Uh-oh. Yes. Where's Mama Bear? Where's Mama Bear? Where's Mama Bear? Uh-oh. Mama Bear. Yay! And where is Elmo Bear? Where is Elmo Bear? Yay! That's Elmo Bear. Hi! Are they gonna sleep? Are they gonna sleep? Uh-oh. Did you just burp? Say, excuse me. Saglit na yung tulog mo. Wala pang 1 hour, Zeb. But it's okay. Hi! Sleeping na sila baby bears. Uh-oh. Gigil ang ilong mo. Okay, bye! Hey guys, we're done with lunch. Adobong puset. Oh, wala naman. Grabe! Ang init. Grabe. Zeb is on his second bath for today. For sure later meron na kasi grabe magpawis. Pawis na pawis. And I can turn on the aircon naman the whole day. Kamusta naman ako sa kuryente niya. So, tiis ganda. Pero ngayon, yan. Magbubukas na ako after mabihisan ni Zeb. Woo! Kakaibang init to. Sana mabalik na lang ulit yung December, January, February. Yung malalamig. Sa, yung kwarto namin sa Singapore. Ito, feeling ko itong kwarto kasi itong side na to mainit lalo. Hindi ko alam bakit. Sa Singapore mainit din naman pero yung kwarto namin maaliwala. So, hindi ako pinapawisan ng ganito. Anyways, yeah, ayan din. Hindi ako tumataba tuloy. Dahil I'm so pawis. Lagi akong tagaktak ang pawis. Ay, nako. Yun lang. I'm gonna turn off the lights again kasi nakadagdag sa init yan. In-on ko lang kasi madilim pag nag-vlog ako. So, yeah. Kain kayo. Kain kayo kasi ako tapos na. Okay, bye. Afternoon. Should I say good evening? Kumusta naman? Yan na lang ulit ako nag-vlog. It's 5. Oh my gosh. Deal or no deal na. It's 5:40. Nagluto kasi ako ng merienda. Kita ba? Hot cakes. Hindi ko na matiis ang aking gutom. So, I cooked. And yun, si Zeb, grabe, 3 oras yung tulog niya. From 2 to 5. So, good luck. Mamayang gabi. Sana hindi naman sobrang late. So, yun lang. Kamusta kayo dyan? Ang init. Let's turn on the fan. Woo, man! Anyway, yun lang. Kain muna tayo, guys. Merienda. See ya. Ice skating naman tayo, guys. Super duper init. And this is buko salad. Ito mas masarap kaysa dun sa buko. Ganito yung naalala ko dating lasa ng ice candy. Na buko lang, Ngayon, yung buko hindi na ganun kasarap. So, yung buko salad masarap. Perfect. I can eat this all day, every day. Actually, dati man everyday, no? So, mapapadalas na naman ako nito. Actually, ano naman, pinabili ko 6. Tatlong chocolate, tatlong buko. Hi! What's that on your forehead? What is that? Oh, you got it. Anyway, it's 8:15 and we're done with dinner. And I don't think this boy is gonna sleep. Oh, why? Anytime soon because ang tagal ng nap niya kanina. So, we're just gonna chill and play. Uh-oh. But, I gotta say goodnight. Yeah, I gotta say goodnight. And end the vlog now. Hindi ko alam kung mahaba yung vlog ko today or not. I'm so sorry. But, lakas pa din ng TV, no? Ayun. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a good Monday. First day of the week. 2 weeks na lang. We're gonna leave for Singapore now. Are you excited? Gavin, are you excited to see Daddy? Yung nakita ko yung time hop ko 1 year ago today, yung unang flight ni Zeb papuntang Singapore doon, the day after his binyag. So, yan, babalik na naman kami in a few weeks. Excited and excited and not excited at the same time kasi I'm enjoying my life with Yaya here. Pagbalik sa Singapore, wala nang katulong si Mami. Adjust na naman kami ng lifestyle, ng routine namin ni Zeb. Wala na ulit me time unless nandiyan na si Daddy or pag weekends. So, yun lang. Anyway, but still, we're still grateful na magkakasama kami. Yun lang naman din yung importante. So, yeah. Mixed emotions. Sige na, mixed emotions. Anyway, sige guys, good night. Ako ang inaantok, pero matulog si Zeb. Grabe ang init ngayong araw na to. 34 degrees yata yung highest today. Kaya, good luck sa aircon ko this day. Okay, ilang oras ang aking aircon. Kawawa naman kasi si Zeb eh. Grabe talaga pagpawisan eh. Kaya, pag si Zeb, ako kinakaya ko pang tiisin. Pero no, pag si Zeb na talaga nakikita kong pawis na yung ulo niya. Diyos ko, parang naliligo na. Wala na. Bubuksan ko na aircon. Anyway, sige na, pahaba ng pahaba. Good night guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Flying kiss. Yay! Oh. Bye.